Hi, welcome back to Bytes Route. In this video, I will show you how to create a product tour using Bytes Route. To be able to create a tour, you must first log in. You can either click on Login on the homepage or log in from the Chrome extension. Enter your email address and password and click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the dashboard page. Now, go to the page where you want to start your tour on. We will use the home page to create a simple tour with 3 steps, but you can create as many steps as you want. To start creating your tour, open the extension and click on Start Recording. To add a step, you have to right-click on the page element. After right-clicking on it, enter the description of the step and choose how you want to trigger the next step. Plus, you can make a step optional by clicking on the optional step. After finishing with all the required information, click on Save Step. To finish the tour, click on Save and Finish. You can also finish the tour from the Chrome extension by clicking on the Finish button. After doing this, choose a name for your product tour. The name will be visible to your users if the tour is live. Then, choose the theme, and the language for your tour. As a note, choosing another language other than English will only translate the buttons, but not the step descriptions. Click on Save Tour and you're done. Go to the dashboard page and click on the Refresh button. In the section Product Tours, you can see the tour you've created and the domain that is created on. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the like button if you enjoyed this video.